Can an LLC own stocks? Yes, an LLC can own stocks, and many investors use LLCs as a vehicle to hold their investments. This allows you to separate your personal finances from your investment activities while still enjoying liability protection. Both publicly traded stocks and privately held shares can be owned by an LLC. For example, you could set up an LLC that buys and manages a portfolio of stocks, or even use it to hold shares in a private startup. The LLC structure makes it easier to bring in multiple members who each contribute capital and share in profits according to the operating agreement. The main benefits are liability protection and simplified record keeping. But keep in mind that profits are still taxed according to the LLC's tax classification. Good bookkeeping is essential to track dividends, gains, and losses. Zen Business can help you form an LLC and ensure it's structured to hold investments legally. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. The link is in the description too.